My dear students, this year you are a bit puzzled, I can understand, because of the change in the syllabus for the academic session 2020-21. Let me tell you the changes in the syllabus of science for class 10. As you know, the NCERT book is divided into 5 units in science. The first unit is entirely from chapter 1 to 5 is about chemistry part. The unit 1, that is chemical substances, nature and behavior. So chapter 1 to 5 is chemistry. Chapter 6 to 9 is the biology part, that is world of living, that is unit 2. Unit 3 is chapter number 10 and 11. It's about the natural phenomenon. And unit 4 is the chapter number 12 and 13, which is the effects of current. And finally the fifth unit, that is the natural resources, that include the last chapters. Now let's talk about the changes in the various chapters. You see, from the unit 1, that is the chapter number, you see from the chapter 3, metals and non-metals, basic metallurgical process, that is corrosion and its prevention, this is deleted. And from carbon and its compound, most of the part is deleted. That you have to read in class 11 again. Only page number 58 to 62, these are included. So this is the change in the unit 1. Next come the biology section, that is the unit 2, the world of living. Here you can see the chapter number 7, that is control and coordination in animals and plants. Almost the entire chapter is deleted. And next is the heredity and evolution, the next chapter thereafter. Here this chapter only the evolution concepts are deleted, but the hereditary part, that is the genetics part, is left. So you have to read the genetics part, and which you have to learn further in details in class 12. Evolution part is deleted as well as in class 12 for this year, so you don't have to read the evolution part. Next come the unit 3, natural phenomenon. You can see the human eye and the colorful world. In this part, the functioning of lens in human eye, the defects of vision and their corrections, applications of spherical mirror and lenses, this part is deleted from the natural phenomenon unit and the human eye and the colorful world. And next come the unit 4. This is also related to physics part, effects of current. In this unit, the magnetic effect of electric current, the electric generator, direct current, alternating current, frequency of AC, advantage of AC and DC over DC, domestic electric currents. This part is entirely deleted from the syllabus of class 10 of 2020-21. And at last the unit 5, that is the natural resources. From this chapter unit, actually the sources of energy is deleted, like different forms of energy, conventional and non-conventional source of energy, fossil fuel, solar energy. So entire energy part is deleted from the unit, this natural resources unit. Next, let's start with the deleted practicals of 2020-21. From chemistry part, the finding of pH of the following samples by using pH paper or universal indicator. From this part, dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute sodium hydroxide solution, dilute ethanoic acid solution, lemon juice, water, dilute hydrogen carbonate solution. This part is deleted. And from the physics part, the determination of equivalent resistance of two resistors when connected in series and parallel, this is deleted. In biology part, the temporary mound of leaf peel to show stomata, this is deleted. And again come from the chemistry part, that is the study the following property of acetic acid or ethanoic acid, that is the odor, solubility in water, effect on litmus paper, effect reaction with sodium hydrogen carbonate, this part is deleted. Next come the next is chemistry again, study of the comparative cleaning capacity of a sample of soap in soft and hard water, this is deleted. Next come the again from the physics part, finding the image distance for varying object distances in case of convex lens and drawing corresponding ray diagram to show the nature of the image formed, this is deleted. And at last the biology practical, again one more deleted, that is the identification of different parts of the embryo of a dicot seed. We generally do it with a gram or pea or kidney bean. So this is deleted. So you can see here we have two deleted practicals from biology, two deleted practicals from physics and chemistry. Yes, 1, 2 and 3 parts are deleted. So this is the deleted syllabus for this year or 2020-21 batch. So I hope you understood the total entire changes in the syllabus of class 10 their science.